Let's take a look at Pointly's manual classification tools. With the automatic classification using our standard classifiers, a few misclassifications might appear. Here, I've found a few cars that are misclassified. Let's correct them. First, let's look at the segments view. What we see here is that these cars are well separated from the ground by our pre-processing. Since our segment selector lets us classify a complete segment with a single click, I can easily correct these cars with just one click. To demonstrate the power of the segment selector on a larger scale, I will reclassify the ground with just a few clicks using the segment selector. Next, there is our polygon lasso tool. This tool is very useful if an object is divided into too many segments or if I want to correct multiple objects at the same time. For example, this transmission tower was classified as Other, and I want to change it to Transmission Tower. I can lock all classes so they can't be overwritten by any classification tool and just unlock the class Other. Now I choose my class Transmission Tower and simply draw a polygon around the object. The third tool is the 3D bounding box. You can place the 3D box to classify any points within it. Place the box and adjust the vertices to fit your needs. In general, you can use a right-click to confirm the classification of our tools. Last but not least, there is our powerful subselection tool, which combines all three tools we have just seen. Use the subselection tool to select a specific part of the point cloud and display it in a second view. You can then freely classify within the second view and also adapt the subselection life in the larger point cloud. This is also very useful when working indoors or if you want to achieve very high precision on specific objects. In the next video, we will then only show you how to export your files and results. Thank you for watching.